6 now. I'm really beginning to enjoy this, Dad.
Don't get cocky, Petey. You're not an American. Sorry. I can see what's happening here. I'm on the wrong side of the current. I let you take that swim, as you're a novice, but my line is lying in what is known as a fallow pool.
The only problem is to get the animal out of the cage, you need to reach in and pull the door open again. This is not a pleasant task, especially if you're dealing with an angry and upset wild.
My fellow citizens, today...
Breaking, new world order pandemic turned reality. Zombies.
This is a test of the emergency broadcast system. This is only a test.
It's here, the zombie apocalypse. The dead roam the streets, and whether it was a plague and ancient...
Government officials report the virus is not airborne, but can be transferred through contact with blood and other bodily fluids.
Nirvana, produced for the most part by Chicago noise rock king Steve Albini, in Utero sounds nothing like...
The killing of Colombian drug lord Pablo Escobar is sending a tougher message, at least that is...
Drew, come forward.
Yes, chef, this is a chicken quiche with cremini mushrooms.
Hello, I'm Euphigenia Doutfire, dear.
Well, there are many mechanical tools used in drywalling. I like to use the Binford 6100 wet tape band.
You're all here today taking this course, how to be an auto mechanic, okay? So it's your money, so pay attention, all right?
My fellow citizens.
You don't have to buy it pre-mixed. You can mix it yourself if you want. It's 3 parts calcium carbonate, 2 parts mica.
This is the emergency broadcast system.
You're all here today taking this course, how to...
This symbol outside says inside you'll find a legacy of technological leadership.
Well, there are many mechanical tools used in...
Report suspicious activities and call 911 for immediate response. Expect delays. Searches of personal...
Please be seated.
They've got a UFO here, and they'll do anything to keep it a secret.
Report suspicious activities and call 911.
Drew, come forward.
Nirvana, produced for the most part by...
This symbol outside.
If you've ever worked with live animal traps, you know that...
You see that? It's made of chicken. It's actually...
Unit 2, move into position. Units 3 and 4 maintain coverage of Sector 7. Unit 5, set up a perimeter with Unit 6.
Drew, come forward.
If your power goes out, remain calm and assist family members or neighbors who may be vulnerable if exposed. Report suspicious activities and call...
Alpha Team, this is Echo Team. Bravo 1 is cleared.
If you've ever worked with live animal traps...
This symbol outside.
Don't watch it.
They've got a...
If your power goes out,
Don't.
If if your power goes out,
This is a live picture right now of Seagate, Brooklyn. The